Welcome to another video with www.homepainter.co.za. Today we're in Bryanston looking at a ceiling full of mold. This is after we've washed it. Please see the videos of the before we washed. It was absolutely horrific. What happens here is the moisture, because the window is not left open, causes the dry form preservative in the paint to be used up, and then it can't kill the mold anymore. As you can see, the tiles have got a grouting that's also showing signs of algae. That's what it needs to look like. Good joints, but the mold has grown on these joints between the tiles. As you can see on the actual tile itself, we've got growth there and on the underhang there. So how do we fix this? Well, that's our trade secrets, but the first thing you've got to do is you've got to kill it, and we use a poison to do that. And then we need a primer. After the primer, we put on 2 coats of paint with a dry film anti-mold in it, which stops anything growing on the surface. Anything could be yeast, bacteria, algae, fungi, moss. Make it a great day. Follow us in further videos.